Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you, this is the last of the second last in this popular series.
in the Detail series, Michael. The legendary Warrior series, famous for its detail.
Yes, we keep saying, look at the detail, but that doesn't answer my question. Is this the last or the second last?
I believe second last,
Second last.
Yeah, there was a reason I was avoiding the question.
Fair enough. So this is Arminius.
It is.
So for those that haven't been introduced to this series, that's 15 coins long, I believe. And we've had Joan of Arc and we've had
Julius
Geronimo.
Caesar.
Yeah. Good grief, there's been
Miyamoto, Musashi, all sorts of different ones.
Yeah, there's heaps of them. And they have been symbolised, particularly on this channel, by the incredible detail in a bullion coin.
Yeah,
and they
for a fairly low premium compared to some of the numismatic coins and things like that we kind of expect that higher level from. These kind of tick a lot of boxes. A fairly low price point, great detail, and a consistent series that actually has some interesting things going on for it.
They've really stepped out with this design, and like with this series, sorry, is what I meant to say there.
This is Silvertown as well, who's been doing this,
and it's an incredible series. It really is, and as you were saying, the quality of the coin. Bullion coins are usually pretty good. Some of them can be pretty ordinary. Some of them can be really great. But it's usually the proofs and that where you really get the detail into it, and they really overemphasise through their stamping process some of the details and things. To get this, and again I'm harping on detail, but to get this level of detail in a bullion coin of this quality is amazing at this price point.
Let's take a look and see if they've done it again, Michael.
I have no doubt they have. So I'll try and actually put my eyes on properly. So you can see him there with his curved sword.
Going absolutely mental on some Roman soldiers in a forest.
Yeah. So what's his background, Rubes? I don't know a lot about Arminius.
I had to do a little look, as I have with quite a few of them, to be honest. But big anti-Roman guy, kind of prevented the Romanization of Germania. So almost a Germanic origin. It could be a crossover with Germania Mint almost.
So we have to be careful where we put these in the back room of the store.
That's it.
Not too close to the Germania stuff. Well, no, probably
no. He's fighting for it.
Yeah, that's right.
He'll be the defender.
Again, I don't want to get stuck on this detail word, but you look at the robes they're wearing. You've even got the creases in the robe coming out. The I don't even know what you call the protectors of the
gauntlets of some description.
Yeah, but you've got the strapping around them, and then you've got the background, the forest in the background, and people being executed and fighting and all sorts of things. So the amount of detail that they've actually managed to fit onto such a small planchet.
The amount of story as well, that's it. It
that's
gives you
probably a better word.
Yeah, it gives you a reason to look beyond just one main subject. It's like, well, hang on, what's going back there? Where are we? What's happening here?
My only disappointment with this series is they didn't do it on a 10 ounce. I just think that would be beautiful. On the other side, you've got this, it's almost Games of Thrones-ish, where they've got a congregation of all the various swords that have been used, and I don't think I'd ever noticed the bow in there.
There's a bow, there's a mace, there's all sorts in there, clubs.
So the weaponry of the series is displayed on the back. So this is an incredibly well thought out series, and they've executed it, no pun intended, but they've executed it very, very well. So it does have a numismatic range. This is the bullion side of it, and I think they've really hit the mark with it. With the exception of the 10 ounce. So Silvertown, if you're listening, give me a call. I'd like to see a 10 ounce.
It would be very, very cool. But very cool to see at least the next one through. Could be the last one. We'll have to go check ourselves. But as we've been singing its praises, a very, very cool series. And sad to see it almost finished.
Yeah, that's right. Obviously, standard asterisk next to this, while stocks last, we've got them. We have actually managed to top up some of the earlier ones in the series, so you may see they've appeared back on our website. So if you're missing one or two, or you want a few more because you've given one away, or you want to give one away, have a look back on our website, bullionnow.com.au, to see if one of the ones you're after is available. But these are in stock right now until we sell out.
Link will be down in the description for them. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.